Ali kad govore o pripitomljavanju Vučića, ja još Vuka u cirkusu nisam video.
We can't just go through numbers, sir.
Sacral object.
Yep, we can't just go through numbers. And the United States and EU...
Numbers, I believe that numbers are important.
Okay.
I was speaking about the roots of the problems, and you don't want to hear it.
That you will get back to what the EU is calling for, which is back to those normalization talks?
Once again, many thanks. I appreciate your objectiveness and not biased approach at all. And wanted to say that perhaps you didn't follow what the EU was saying after our last meeting.
In Bosnia, and we watch, you know, an interesting political game being played. You say one thing internally and another thing to interlocutors. So I want to ask you this, because you also have some very powerful and famous celebrities.
No, it's not true at all.
Okay.
What you have just said.
Okay, fine, I'll take that on board. At Roland Garros in May. So you don't support Milorad Dodik and his destabilization?
People of 3 nations in Bosnia.
Okay, good. Well, then they'll be pleased to hear that now.
I do support. Don't put your words into my mouth.
Novak Djokovic writes on a camera lens, Kosovo is the heart of Serbia, stop the violence. Do you approve of that? This was in the tennis championships in May in France. Do you approve of that kind of rhetoric, and does it help or hurt the situation?
I believe that Novak Djokovic was saying something from the bottom of his heart. 99% of people Serbian believe in that.
Ali kad govore o pripitomljavanju Vučića, ja još Vuka u cirkusu nisam video. Vuka u cirkusu nema. Ni Vučića, ni Vuka. I nek to nauče. To im je lekcija za sva vremena.